channel. This is Koina. So today is Sunday, but not a holiday for me because I'm having 2 exams to appear for because my 5th semester has started. I am doing the 5 years integrated BA LLB course from University of Calcutta. Alright, so I have my constitutional law paper and administrative law paper today. So it will be starting from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. like 2 hours for each subjects, and another one will be starting from 2 p.m. to 4. So yeah, it's gonna be a tiring day, so I thought that why not just show it to you guys, share it with you all. And yeah, I just got freshened up, I just had my breakfast, so yeah, I will be behind the camera from now on so that I can show you guys whatever I see. So I'll stop blabbering now and get on to work and studies. Also, I'm looking like a witch, but I'm not a witch, trust me. I'm just a student who is just stressing all day about exams. So yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbering and share my day with you guys. Scanning each paper and emailing them like the university people. So I wrote a total of 13 pages. That makes me dead, like I'm feeling dead inside. Also, I can't feel my right hand. Also, not to forget, I'm having another paper in an hour, so I'll probably go and take a bath and then eat something like for lunch, and then again come back and appear for the second paper for the day. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. This is currently 1:20 and the paper is already out. Now let's see how much time and page does this paper take. Got done right now. The time is 4:30, so we had to submit our scripts within 4:30. I scanned and I emailed just now, and I can't really feel my back and my right hand anymore, so I'm gonna crash. Editing Koina signing in. Today is Monday and I just got done with all of my exams. I'm super exhausted and I just sat for editing this video, so I found that I haven't really shown the outro of the video. So yeah, if you like this video, if you want more of this, do let me know, and if you want to support me, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do like it and comment down below whatever you feel like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.